How do Subaru wheel spacers work? Subaru wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. A high-quality Subaru wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Subaru wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-built appearance. Using Subaru wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. You have assembly all the suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with full Subaru wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Subaru wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest security and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 15mm to 50mm. BONOSS Subaru wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent catalyst, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality material are not strong enough and will default and endanger giant safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Subaru wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the bloxsport active-cooling Subaru wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in tighter shape. These grooves allow external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. Also, the BONOSS forged Subaru wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives peace of mind.